Hi there, students. Impassive. Impassive. An adjective. Impassively. The adverb, and I guess even the noun of the quality, impassiveness. Okay, if somebody is impassive, their face is impassive, they're not showing any emotion. They're completely deadpan face, unemotional, unmoved. So if you're a good poker player, a poker face, you receive your cards and your face is impassive. You don't show any emotion. You're completely reserved. You're completely emotionless. She looked at him impassively and said, "I want a divorce." So impassive, showing no sign of emotion, no sign of feeling. Yeah, completely expressionless. I guess a person could be totally impassive. They don't feel emotions. They're completely apathetic about things. Yeah. Okay. I guess impassiveness or impassivity as well. You could use to say that you have no feeling. It's something is completely insensible. You can't feel it. But I think I would use impassive more to talk about emotions. Expressionless, yeah, with a blank face, with a pure poker face, not showing any emotion. He received the bad news impassively. Yeah, if somebody is impassive, it appears that they're not affected by the information or by the situation. Yeah, it seems that they don't feel anything about it. So they're completely deadpan. They're completely poker faced. They're not showing any emotion. The guilty verdict was announced, and he stood there impassively. Okay, so without showing anything at all, not subject to emotion, devoid of emotion, calm, imperturbable. Yeah, with a completely deadpan poker face. I looked at her impassive face to see if there was some emotion or some feeling inside there, but I got the feeling that she was dead inside. She was emotionally insensible, completely detached, totally phlegmatic, yeah, totally unresponsive, yeah. So the I think when things are difficult, when there is chaos, then it's best to be as impassive as possible. Yeah, when things are very strange. That doesn't mean I don't think it's good to show emotion in the right place, but impassivity when everybody around you is panicking is a very good thing, because like that you can make calm, cool, collected decisions. So impassive, having or showing very little emotion. I think you could also use this to say motionless, not moving. There was no wind, and I looked at the impassive waters of the lake. Okay, impassive, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 6 in formality, using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, not, and passive, from passivus in Latin. Passivus in Latin, you are suffering or receiving an action. So I guess that's enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Please don't be impassive. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Impassive.